Tomorrow midnight, the sale of Amazon Great Indian Festival and Flipkart Big Billion Days sale will commence. So if you are planning to buy any tablet, you must watch this video before making any purchase. I have picked up some of the questions and I will answer those questions in this video. Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually confused between Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and iPad 11th generation. iPad 11th generation is highly recommended for those seeking an affordable tablet with a good display, a powerful A16 Bionic chipset, and a reliable long-term software support for a smooth user experience. Also, you will like the display quality in outdoor and also in indoor conditions. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is ideal for those users who want a large screen, great battery life, dependable performance and enhanced productivity. Enhanced performance especially for students, professionals and media consumers. During Big Billion Days sale, you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus at a price point of 22 to 23,000 rupees. If you don't get this pricing, don't buy this tablet. Rather, you should go for iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation. Another users wants to know whether this tablet will be on offer on Amazon.in. I think this tablet will be on offer on Flipkart.com. If you have Axis Bank credit card or ICICI Bank credit card, you can avail great discounts on this tablet. Next, many users are actually in confusion whether they should go for Android tablet or they should go with iPad. I think if you have a budget and you want to use your iPad or tablet for a longer period of time, in that case iPad will be best because you will get regular updates, and with every update new things will come and you will feel happy while using your iPad. Plus, if you have iPhone and you have MacBook, in that case ecosystem will be smooth. But if you don't have iPhone or MacBook, in that case also you can transfer things between iPad and Android smartphone via any Wi-Fi software like Zender or any other file sharing app. And if you don't want to buy iPad at a higher price tag, you can definitely consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. This tablet will be sold at a price point of 36,000 rupees using SBI credit card on Amazon.in. It will be a very good tablet to use. The processor of this tablet is very powerful, so you can edit your videos on this tablet also, and the screen quality will be very good because it is an AMOLED display. Tomorrow on Sunday I will make a question answer video. Many people have asked me many questions. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Actually, tomorrow midnight the sale will start for the Plus members and also for the Prime members on Amazon.in as well as on Flipkart.com. So if you are planning to buy any tablet, you have to buy tomorrow midnight. Only then you can avail the best discount. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.